She started typing, doing her best. The bell went off, saying that her 5 minutes was up. She stopped typing, but the lady in charge had gotten distracted answering a phone call. She said to the lady gruffly, "Keep typing, that's not your bell." Well, it was her bell. It was right in front of her. She said, "Okay," and typed another 5 minutes. They added up the number of words she typed, 10 minutes worth, and divided it by 5, and she by far had the best typing skills and ended up getting the job.